today was the culmination of 5 years of work. And last week we were able to use the wheeled crane to dismantle towers 3, 4, and 5. And so today we're using the heavy lift helicopter to dismantle tower 2 and 1.
150-foot line, drop down, it'll pick up components off the towers. It'll be saddles coming out, and then the overhang section that the gondola was on, then the main frame, and then the tower legs.
A good day is when I don't have to do my job. Oh, there's a ton of risks. The fall factor, we're on the side of a mountain, so rock fall, and there's the risk of suspension trauma, so having high angle rescue here. We can get them off the slope safely.
It's a chapter in our lives that is coming to an end, and I'm extremely proud of the work that all the team have done. To this day, sometimes I have to pinch myself to remind me that I'm not sleeping, this is real.